Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back again with another Memories and More Monday. And today I've got a really tiny cute little project, and I made one of these I think last year, but it was a lot bigger and I think I called it an accordion pouch or something like that. But this is just a little mini one, and you just take the little belly band off and it opens up and it just reveals like little accordion pockets. And I've just made some cute little tags which you can pop photographs on. You could maybe even write stuff on the back, and I think this would make a really cute little gift. Or you could just pop it in your handbag, put your favourite photographs on, which is what I think I'm going to do. And all this is from the Memories and More. The only bits that isn't is the card and the Whisper White card, even the little camera and this bits and the stickers, they're all from the Memories and More. So we're going to make this one in the Petal Garden. We're not, we're going to make it in Petal Passion. This is all still available. I have used the Petal Passion Designer Series paper to make the little pockets. Again, that's still available to purchase, because I think it would be too thick to make them in cards, so we're going to do them in the paper. So to make the actual album, you need a piece of card which is 2 7/8 by 8.5 inches, and I've got Blush and Bride. You need 5 pieces of DSP for your pockets, and they need to measure 3.5 by 6 inches. I've already prepared 4 of them. We'll do this one together. And then to make the little pull-out tags, I've got 5 pieces of thick Whisper White, which are 2.5 by 2 7/8. And then I use the small Memories and More cards to make just those ones to decorate the little tags. And I just used a fancy corner punch on the top, and they measure 2 3/8 by 2 7/8. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So actually this card, yeah, this is 2.5 by 3, not 2 7/8. 2.5 by 3, and they are 2 3/8 by 2 7/8. And again, you'll need 5 of them. And then I've got a piece for the belly band, which is 1 inch by 8 3/8. And this bit's going to decorate the front of my little album, which is 2 3/4 by 3 1/8. But all the measurements will be on my blog. So we're going to prepare, you'll do the same to all of your 5 pockets. Okay, so we're going to get the scoreboard, and it's really easy. We are going to score, if I can remember, and I haven't wrote it down. Yeah, we're going to score at 2 3/4 on the long side, and then 5.5. Turn it to the short side, and we're going to score at 1/2 inch. Alright, it's dead easy, and just do that on all of your 5 pieces. Okay. So we will just fold and burnish the score lines. Okay, and then if you take your scissors, what we are going to do is we've got our little piece. Sorry everyone, my battery ran out, so I had to charge the camera up, and I did a little bit of a few of the bits while I was doing it. So I was going to show you how to do the pockets. I've put some of them together. So the piece where you don't have the score line, we've got the score line down there. The piece where you don't have it, get this right, yeah, we need to cut this whole piece away. Okay, and then we also need to remove this little square, but I'm gonna just mite it in there a little bit and a bit off there, so you should end up with that. And then it's just going to go together like that. So we need some tape down here. Okay, and then we need a bit of tape along here. Alright, as I said, it's going to go together like that. And then this bit here, I'm using the 1/2 inch circle punch to just punch a little finger hole in the middle. So we'll peel the tape off and just do that with all 5 of your pieces. And just stick that over like that, and this one will just go like that. Okay, so there's our little pockets. I've got one more to stick together actually. Oh yes, and if anybody is interested, I'm doing a new catalogue paper share. I have got all the info on my blog. It will tell you, I think it's 186 sheets that you will get. So it's a lot cheaper way to get your hands on the new papers. So you have until, I think it's the 30th of May to send your payment, and then the 1st of June I will order all the papers. As soon as I get them, I'll pack them up and share them out and ship them off. So there we go, we've got our 5 little pockets there. And what I did as well while the battery was charging was I just glued the little pieces of Memories and More onto the Whisper White, and I just stapled a little piece of ribbon on this time. I've got one more of them to do, so having it this way, I think, yeah. So I'm just going to attach this to the Whisper White. Okay, and then I've got some of this vintage crochet trim, but it's retired now, but obviously you can use whatever you want. That's probably too much, you only need a little bit. And I'm just going to fold it over and then just pop it like that. And then I've got my little stapler here, and I'm just going to staple it on like that. Okay, you can of course punch a hole and slot the ribbon through, which is what I did with these ones, but it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to pop that back on. Okay, so now we can score our little album. Get these out the way. Okay, so take your scoreboard and where is it? Okay, I don't think I've wrote the measurements down for this either. Anyway, we're going to score it at, it's 3 1/4 inches. 3 3/4 inches. 7 inches. And 7 1/2 inches. That's it. Okay, so that's all you score that at. And then just fold and burnish. And it's just going to fold up like that, and on this one I've made the little flap to close it a little bit longer than I made on the last one. Okay, so what I might do on this one is just round the corners, I think. Okay, so that's going to be the front. So I've got my little piece of Memories and More paper cut, and I'm just going to attach this to the front. Okay, just like that. And then we can start attaching our little pockets. So what we would do is we will just stick the first one in just within the score lines like that. So I am just going to pop some of this okay, and just stick that on there. And then it's basically just a case of gluing these on top of each other like this. Okay, so again I'm just going to pop some on the actual pocket. Just line it up so it's nice and straight, and that will give you your little pouches. I'm just using a tape pen for quickness, but I would recommend using some Tombow maybe, or double-sided tape. But I think this is just a great little size to keep in your handbag, which is what I'm going to do with this one. Put some pictures in of my little Daisy and my daughter and stuff. So there we go, there's our little pouches, and then we can pop our little pockets in, our little, what do you call them, our little photo mats. Excuse me. I'll pop that in the one. Start from the front and work back. going in. Goodness knows. Oh, I got one. Oh yes, there we go. So there's our sweet little accordion pouches, and that will just close up like that. So for our belly band, all I did was I just took the piece of card and I just basically wrapped it round and just kind of pushed on the score lines. Well, you know, where it folds like that. And then all I did was just folded it again on those lines that it's created. And then I just burnished them down. You can put it in your scoreboard if you want to, but I don't really think you need to, but you can if you want. There we go. And then we are going to have it glued at the back, just like that. Now you don't want to pull it too tight because we want to be able to slide it on and off. So just some adhesive there, and like I say, don't pull it too tight. Okay, and then to decorate the front, I've got some of the little pieces from the Memories and More, and what I'm going to do is with the 1 1/8, no sorry 1 3/8 punch, I'm just going to punch. Like I say, this is just from the Memories and More, but it's Whisper White, so might as well use it. And I have that one there. Then with the 1 1/8, I'm going to punch that one, and I'm going to just glue that onto there. In the right place would help. Yep. Like that, and then that is going to get stuck onto the front of my belly band, just in the middle. There will do. And then quickly from the pack, I've got some of these gorgeous little stickers. And there's a lovely little heart there. Well, they're actually more like card, like a board. I'm just going to put the little heart in the middle, like that. And then I'm going to pop a little heart there. And a little heart there. There we go. So simple to do, but doesn't that look gorgeous? It slides off, and then inside we've got all of our little pouches. Would make a great gift for anybody, or as I said, you could just keep it yourself in your handbag and put all your little favourite photographs in. And there's the first one I made. As you can see, that bit was small. I've made it a better size on this one. So yeah, I'll be back on Wednesday and I'll be showing you all my pre-order stuff, and then on Friday I'm going to be doing the new kit reveal, so make sure you catch all of those videos. So I'll be back again on Wednesday, so thanks for watching, take care and bye for now.